In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize a page in Canva, whether you're changing a social media post into a printable flyer or adjusting a document to fit a new format. Knowing how to resize your page properly can save you a lot of time. I'll walk you through the exact steps, and I'll also explain what each option does so you can choose the best settings for your design. First, open your design in Canva. Once your design is open, look towards the top of the screen. You'll see a button labeled Resize in the main toolbar. Click on this Resize button. This is where all of Canva's size and dimension controls live, so anytime you need to change the format of a design, this is where you'll start. After you click Resize, a panel will open. You'll see a list of common preset sizes like templates for social media, documents, and more. Instead of choosing a preset, look for the option that says Custom Size and click on that. Done. Custom Size lets you set the exact dimensions you want, which is ideal when you already know the width and height you need. Inside the custom size area, you will find fields for width and height, along with a drop-down to choose the unit, such as pixels, inches, or millimeters. Before you type anything in, look for a small checkbox that appears with the resizing options. Check this box. This checkbox usually controls whether Canva applies the new size just to the current page, or to all pages, or whether it creates a copy of your design at the new size. Make sure it's checked according to the behavior you want, so you don't accidentally overwrite your original design. Next, you'll see icons that represent orientation. One icon is for portrait, and another is for landscape. Click on the landscape icon if you want your design to be wider than it is tall. This is especially useful for presentations, slides, or any design that's meant to be viewed on screens in a horizontal format. Once you've set the size, chosen your orientation, and checked the box, simply follow the on-screen prompts. Canva may ask whether you want to resize the current design or copy and resize it. Confirm your choice, let Canva adjust your layout, and then review your design to make any final tweaks needed. And that's all you need to resize a page in Canva confidently.